Hello Super Mobile fans, happy day to you all. Hope everyone is staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing with you some leaks of the upcoming Infinix smartphones which should be launched later this year. Infinix has already launched the Smart 5 into the market and it comes with two variants, the 4G LTE global version and the downgraded 3G local version. Here are the full differences between both models. The version launching in Africa is the 3G version, while Asia will get the 4G version due to economic situation. But the Smart 5 4G version may be coming later to Africa and may be rebranded as the Hot Lite. I will be explaining why I said this very soon. For those of you who don't know, the Smart 4 Plus and Hot 9 Play have exactly the same design and specifications, but they are launched in different regions to avoid confusions. The Smart 5 4G and Hot Lite will follow the same market strategy and will also launch with similar design and specifications, but in different countries based on model popularity. Here is the information on the Hot Lite from Google Play listing. It shows that the Hot Lite will have the new Helio A20 quad-core processor, which is the same processor the Smart 5 4G has. It will also have 2GB RAM and of course 720x1600 HD Plus water drop display. They will both retain similar 32GB internal storage, but there will also be a 3GB RAM version with a larger 64GB storage. After some time and data consuming searching into the internet, here is the official design of the Smart 5 4G or Hot Lite. There's nothing too fancy here, just a typical plastic back cover. The front design remains the same water drop HD Plus display with a small reduction in overall bezels. Both smartphones will have a 13MP triple rear camera with triple flash, while the selfie camera of both smartphones will be an 8MP camera, with both having a dual selfie LED flash. These are all the information I have for now about the Smart 5 4G or Hot Lite. Let me know what you guys think. Infinix is making a big step forward with the Hot because according to Google Play listing, the Hot will feature a MediaTek Helio G70 gaming processor, 4GB RAM, 1640x720p HD Plus, big 6.8 inches display size, with a punch-hole notch and Android 10 software. Also, according to this leaked image, it will have a 64GB storage model, and same image source says it will have an upgraded 5200 mAh battery size with 10W micro USB charging. The Note 7 is the best-selling Infinix smartphone this year because of the surprising Helio G70 gaming processor, and I believe the Hot will also be a big selling success for Infinix since it is carrying similar Helio G70 processor. Here is the official back design of the Infinix Hot, and it has similar design with the Hot 9 series. Zooming into the camera department of the Hot shows that it will retain similar 16MP quad rear camera with quad flash, but still no ultra wide angle lens. There is no official value for the selfie camera, but according to rumors, it will be an 8MP camera lens. Here is another color of the Infinix Hot, and I love the pinkish color tone added to it. These are all the information I have for now about the Infinix Hot. Let me know what you guys think. I will not be talking about the Infinix Note 8 in this video because I already did a comprehensive leak video on it. The Note 8 is a good step forward from the Note 7. Kindly click on the link in the description below and go watch it, but after you finish watching this video. Thank you for watching. Infinix is about to storm the mobile market with the upcoming launch of the 08 series. According to Google Play listing and other reliable sources, the 08 will be powered by the super gaming Helio G90T octa-core processor. This is another big surprise and excitement for the Infinix fans. It also has a larger 8GB RAM size and a 2460x1080p Full HD Plus dual punch-hole notch display. The 08 has a larger 64MP quad cameras in a square rhombus setup. Looking closely, I can see an ultra-wide angle lens and quad LED flash. Moving down towards the left shows that the 08 will have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, which means there's a higher chance that it has an LCD display. It seems Infinix is saving the AMOLED and in-display fingerprint sensor for the 010 or X6 Pro. It is nice that Infinix is stepping up to a dual punch-hole notch display, and based on the leaked official teaser video, It has a surprisingly large 48 megapixel primary selfie camera with an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. Other exciting specifications include the super Sony IMX686 64 megapixel camera sensor, which will definitely catapult Infinix camera performance to a higher level, and it supports up to 960 frames per second ultra slow motion mode. The Zero 8 also has a big 4500 mAh battery capacity, and considering the powerful Helio G90T processor, 4500 mAh might not be sufficient. But Infinix smartly included a faster 33-watt USB Type-C charging, which should juice up the battery in under 60 minutes, thereby reducing the battery drain anxiety or worry. You will also enjoy another faster experience with the 90Hz screen refresh rate, paired with a faster 180Hz touch sampling rate. Infinix was kind enough to include a liquid cooling system, which helps to keep the high-performance Helio G90T processor running faster and smoother. Here are the Geekbench 5 scores of the Infinix Zero 8, and the results looks promising. These are all the information I have for now about the Infinix Zero 8. I seriously hope that Infinix will fix a very reasonable and competitive price for the Zero 8 like they did with the Note 7. The rumored price for the 8GB RAM version is $300. Let me know what you guys think, but looking carefully at this official design, it seems Infinix used a plastic body and frame to help make the Zero 8 more affordable, which I believe is a smart decision considering all the flagship specifications. Just like the Infinix Note 7 has a sidekick called the Note 7 Lite, Infinix will also be launching the Zero 8 sidekick called the Zero 8i, which is a more affordable version that will be priced under $250. There is no official information yet on this model, but here are the rumored specifications, and it will be an amazing smartphone. The Infinix Zero 6 series was a good smartphone, but it was released too late, and so it became a disappointment to the Infinix fans. But Infinix realized this and went 2 years ahead, skipping the Zero 7, and is now launching the future Zero 8 series, which I believe will cheer up the disappointed Infinix Zero fans. Nice comeback, Infinix. Don't forget to go check out the Infinix Note 8 official leak video, link in the description below. Let me know what you guys think about all the upcoming Infinix smartphone releases. Are you excited, surprised, or disappointed? Kindly comment below your opinions. Also, remember to take all this information with a pinch of salt, as the final official version might be different. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on the Infinix smartphones and other devices. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.
Infinix is more than brand, it's a family.
Infinix. The future is now.